Remember the early quadcopters? Fun, but super hard to control? We've come a long way since then, with modern drones that practically fly themselves. We've created that same leap for radio-controlled ornithopters with X-Fly, the first ever ornithopter to feature advanced drone-inspired electronics, producing the smoothest flight experience ever created. Here's how. A 6-axis gyro and precision G sensors send the CPU data. Thanks to our groundbreaking algorithms, that data withstands the vibration caused by wing flapping and creates X-Fly's stall prevention system and straight line assistance to deliver the smoothest straight line flying experience, resistant to winds and to falls caused by oversteering. With its third generation wing flapping mechanism and extended wingspan, requiring minimal module power for increased propulsion, X-Fly offers unmatched maneuverability. Both indoors and outdoors, as well as incomparable gliding capabilities and a flight distance of 150 meters. We've also made the battery replaceable, so now flight is practically unlimited, as charging takes less time than flight duration. X-Fly's durable design features shock absorbers and flexible wings to withstand any crash. Flight control is the easiest ever, as you control X-Fly from your phone with 3 mode options, or you can use the designated X-Play joystick. And there are tons of future plans. X-Fly is an open platform with plug-in modules. Right now, there is LED module for mesmerizing nighttime flight, and a buzzer, allowing for audible signals during flight and easy retrieval. So you see, X-Fly represents more than just an upgrade to a radio-controlled ornithopter. It marks the beginning of a new era in organic-inspired drone technology. X-Fly.